Embark on a journey to the past, where the intricate web of trade networks laid the foundation for the global economy we know today. For students exploring AP world history, understanding the evolution of these networks offers a fascinating glimpse into how interconnected trade routes across continents have shaped economies, cultures, and societies throughout history. This narrative delves into the emergence of global trade networks, highlighting their impact on the development of civilizations and their lasting significance in the creation of a globally connected economy. The birth of the global economy can be traced back to ancient trade routes, which initially connected neighboring communities and gradually expanded to link distant lands. These early exchanges facilitated not only the movement of goods but also the spread of ideas, technologies, and cultural practices, fostering a rich tapestry of interconnected societies. Among the most renowned ancient trade routes were the Silk Road, connecting Asia with Europe, and the Trans-Saharan routes, linking North Africa with Sub-Saharan Africa. The Silk Road, a network of overland and maritime paths, served as the main artery for trade between the East and the West from around the 2nd century BCE to the 18th century. It enabled the exchange of luxury goods such as silk, spices, and precious stones, which were highly coveted in the Roman Empire and later in medieval Europe. The Silk Road also facilitated the spread of religions, scientific knowledge, and technological innovations, including papermaking and gunpowder, contributing to cultural and intellectual exchanges between civilizations. Similarly, the Trans-Saharan trade routes transformed the Saharan desert from a formidable barrier into a vibrant corridor of commerce, connecting the Islamic empires of North Africa with the kingdoms of West Africa. Gold from the West African hinterland, salt from the Sahara, and other goods like ivory and slaves were traded along these routes, enriching the societies involved and promoting the spread of Islam and Arabic culture across West Africa. The Age of Discovery in the 15th and 16th centuries marked a pivotal moment in the expansion of global trade networks, driven by European explorers' quest for new trade routes to Asia and the discovery of the Americas. The Portuguese and Spanish expeditions led by figures such as Vasco da Gama and Christopher Columbus opened up new maritime routes, linking Europe directly with Asia and the New World. This era of exploration laid the groundwork for the European colonization of the Americas and the establishment of trade empires that would dominate global commerce for centuries. The Columbian Exchange, a byproduct of the European exploration of the Americas, initiated an unprecedented exchange of crops, animals, and technologies between the New and Old worlds. This exchange had profound impacts on global agriculture, cuisine, population growth, and even the environment, fundamentally altering the course of human history. The 17th and 18th centuries saw the rise of the Atlantic slave trade, a dark chapter in the history of global trade networks. European powers transported millions of Africans to the Americas to work on plantations, fueling the economies of the New World while devastating African societies. This trade was integral to the economic systems of European colonial empires in the Americas, highlighting the complex and often exploitative nature of global trade networks. In the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution ushered in a new era of global trade, characterized by advances in transportation and communication technologies. The advent of steamships and railways, along with the telegraph, dramatically reduced the time and cost of shipping goods and information across the globe, further integrating markets and fostering economic interdependence among nations. For AP World History students, the story of global trade networks is a testament to the dynamic interplay between commerce, technology, and culture in shaping the world. It illustrates how trade has been a powerful force in connecting disparate regions, promoting cultural exchange and economic development, and sometimes facilitating exploitation and inequality. Understanding the evolution of these networks provides insights into the mechanisms of the global economy, the impacts of globalization, and the challenges and opportunities of international commerce. It invites students to consider the ways in which trade has influenced social structures, political systems, and cultural practices across different periods and places. In conclusion, the birth of the global economy, rooted in the expansion of trade networks that united continents, offers a compelling narrative of human endeavor, innovation, and interaction. As students explore the complexities of this historical development, they gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of our world and the forces that continue to shape it. Through the lens of global trade networks, AP World History students are not only preparing for their exams but also equipping themselves with a nuanced understanding of the global economy's past, present, and future. This knowledge is crucial for navigating the challenges of an increasingly interconnected world and contributing to a more equitable and sustainable global economy.